Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Be Creative. This is Ashwati. Today we are starting with Onamspecial videos, and the very first video is how to drape settu mundu. I think all of you guys must be knowing about Kerala sari or settu sari. We all wear it during Onam or Vishu times, but then this settu mundu is also yet another garment which we usually wear it during Onam and Vishu and also special occasions as well. All the Malayalis do wear it. So basically this has got two pieces of cloth, and as you guys can see, when we keep it both together, one piece has got more length than that of other. So this piece will come around our waist, that is to our lower part of our body. Okay, another part is definitely shorter than that of the other, and that would come to our upper part of our body, just like a half sari or like a sari. Now just like any other sari or half sari, we need to pleat it. So it's up to you guys, whatever way you are comfortable with it, you can try it out. So I find this method to be really helpful. That is just I just fold the sari in this way, so that I get an idea of measurement with which I can take the pleats, so that at one go itself I will get the pleats correctly. Usually what happens is it would just not be correct when we go for the first attempt itself. It would be little more or little less. So just to avoid that, just fold the sari just the way I have shown you guys. In that way we get an idea of the measurement we should take for the pleat, and then just go with it. And in that way, at the very first go itself, we will get the measurement correctly, and the pleats will be perfectly done. And once it is done, I'll be just hanging it or pinning it to a curtain. If you want, you can just put it in between the door. In that way, it's just that we can handle things much more easier. In this way we can take pleats or arrange the pleats perfectly. So if we are doing with our hands, what happens is, with one hand we need to hold one end of the sari, and with another hand we need to arrange the pleats, so that would be little bit more difficult. So just to avoid that, please this sari part or this half sari part, whatever you are working with, just do a curtain, secure it with a pin, and then arrange it. In that way it would be perfect. So I have already done a video how to pleat pattu sari perfectly. So if you guys haven't checked it out, please to check it out. I have done that in another way. For that I have used iron and all. So this is pretty much very simple. I do not want to make it complicated. We can just wear it in flat 10 minutes. So that's the reason I didn't iron. So this works perfectly. Now let's work with the mundu, and what I'm going to do is, I'm going to start from my left side. Okay, my left side. So that means you need to start from your left side. If you want, you can start from the waist, mid waist, but then I will highly recommend you guys to start from side waist, so that would work better. So I'm starting from my side waist. As that of sari, just tuck in the excess. Make sure that end of this part, mundu part, just comes down till the floor. Make sure that you wear your heels before wearing this, and just tuck in. Now we want our border to be exactly in the middle, exactly at the mid waist. But then what happens is that there will be some extra fabric. Now we need to pleat it, especially if you are of a slim nature. There will be a lot of leftover fabric. So what we can do is, we can first fold this fabric which is just left over after the border, just like so, and then whatever fabric is left over after the border, we can take pleats. Just as if we take pleats for saris, just like that you can take pleat. If you are of a healthier nature person, you might have only one pleat, but then if you are of slimmer nature, you might get two pleats, but then it's fine. So once you have taken the pleats, just adjust it little bit all the way down, so that it is perfectly done. Then you can secure it with a safety pin, and then tuck it in. Now that it is done, let's work with the other part of the garment. So basically it's like sari or half sari. We need to pin it to our shoulder, and after that just adjust the pleats so that it is really nice, beautiful and neat. And then whatever fabric is left over, just pull it just like so, and then we need to pin it to our sides. And for that, before that actually, we can fold the extra fabric after the border. Now just adjust it really well all the way down, and after that we can secure this part using a safety pin. If you want, you can actually tuck it inside this underskirt as well, but then I feel that securing it with a safety pin gives much neater look. So once it is done, it's almost done, guys. It's done. It's very simple and easy. Just see that everything is perfectly done, all the pleats and everything. And after that, it's an option. If you want, you can take the very first pleat and just put it inside the blouse and secure it with a safety pin so that it gives a, I mean, nicer look. I feel it looks better, but then it's your choice. And after that, you can take out the pin and it's done. Now just to make sure that my pallu or this pallu pleats doesn't move at all, I'll be securing it with the safety pin from both the sides in such a way that safety pins are not visible. At the same time, it would be very much intact. I know that some people do not like to secure sari or settu or anything of that sort with so many the safety pins, but then I like to do it because I feel that in that way it would be intact, it wouldn't move at all. So that makes me little bit more comfortable, and I feel more confident wearing sari or settu. So it's completely upon your choice. If you want, you can do this, or else you can skip this. So that's it, guys. So if you guys haven't worn settu yet, please to try it out. It's absolutely beautiful garment. It's very easy to wear. At the same time, it is very classic and it looks so beautiful. So please to try it out, guys. You get this in Amazon as well, or any Kerala garment store. You can check it out. Any garment, any Kerala textile store, you will get this. So I really hope this video has been helpful for you all. If so, you all know what to do. Please to give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. So see you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye. Take care. Love you all. By the way, happy Onam, guys. Happy Onam to all of you.